Hello! Today we will be constructing a line that is perpendicular to this one, but that's going to go through this point right here. And actually what we're going to do is a construction that's going to use techniques from the perpendicular bisector construction that is we've also done in the past. What I have here is a line. I want to construct a line that is perpendicular to it, makes a 90-degree angle, and I want to go through that point right there that I have denoted there. Notice there's no endpoints here. The easiest thing to do is to try and use our techniques, like I said, as from a perpendicular bisector. But a perpendicular bisector would imply that we had two solid endpoints, and then we could find a line that was right down the middle using basic construction techniques, again, that we have covered prior. But here's how we get around that. I have my compass, very simple. Extend it to whatever length that I want. I'm going to put the non-pencil end here on the point and just kind of draw a half circle that intersects my line twice. Now, the half circle is not very important. What is important is that, I'll show you in a second. So let's go with that line. Let's try one more time. Note to self, don't be fast. Then we come around. Okay, make sure this stays in the same spot. Okay, good. And finish it off there. Okay, so there we go, half circle. Now here's the important thing. The reason we do that is because the distance from that point to where my half circle hits, and I'll extend it because my compass just changed, there we go. That distance there is the same as this distance here. And what I've in essence done is I've said, oh, okay, I'm just going to shorten my segment to this distance here, which is both of these points where my arc intersects my line are equidistant to this point. So all I really need to do now is just say, oh, that's pretty much my segment. So I'm going to take my compass after I've done that, extend it slightly, just because I'll mention that later. And when I put it where the arc crosses my line, I'll do just half of the perpendicular bisector construction, which means I'll just draw an arc up here and the same thing over here. The perpendicular bisector construction would have me do the exact same thing on this side, but I don't have to because I have that point right there. So all I have to do is draw a line from the intersection through that center point and I'm done. Piece of cake.